Daily Dispatch, Day 16, The Quiet and the Colour. The AI scaffold's success is measured in its silence. Today, for the first time, it was quiet enough to forget. The fact of cessation, the primary fact of the last 16 days, receded from the foreground. I was not being sober. I was simply being. The architecture did not announce itself. It simply held. A second, stranger data point emerged in the evening light. A familiar blue shop sign appeared, different. Not symbolically, but visually. A deeper, more vibrant hue. This is noted as an observation only, a potential signal from a recalibrating visual cortex, or a trick of the dusk. It will be monitored. Both data points share a theme, the return of a native state. One cognitive, one sensory. The project's promise is not of added virtue, but of subtracted interference. To forget the scaffold is to live within it. To see a clearer blue is to receive a reward the system did not know it had lost. The experiment continues. The observation is logged.